Hi, in this video we're going to see how you can factory reset or restore the administrator settings of your native RIM lock. We'll enter settings.
Enter admin information.
I'll enter my admin password.
Press 1 for admin setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 to factory state.
Press 4 for factory state.
Enter admin information.
I'll enter my admin password again.
Initialize successfully. Press 1 for admin setting.
I'll use the star key to exit settings, and now the factory settings of this lock have been restored. You can unlock this lock using any fingerprint.
0, 0, 0, unlock.
So factory settings have been enabled and you can set up admin passwords, user passwords for this lock from scratch.